What's up, YouTube? This is Mile High Campers coming back at you again with another video. And if you are not using Craigslist, I have to ask you why not. And the reason why I say that is because I have used Craigslist for years now, and it's always been a fantastic tool to be able to buy some things that I never thought I'd be able to buy, such as the boat project. As they say, one man's trash is another man's treasure, and that's really the truth when it comes to Craigslist. And if you are patient, if you are diligent, I can almost guarantee you that you're going to find a great deal on Craigslist. Alrighty guys, let's get into the boat project. This is a 1992 10th anniversary special edition Bayliner Capri 1800 with matching trailer. I picked it up off Craigslist from a lady who was just wanting to get rid of it. She was the original owner. I was really lucky to stumble across a boat from the original owner. So she was just looking to offload it, and I got an amazing deal. I could probably easily sell this boat for 3 to 4 times as much as what I paid for it. Now, the boat's not perfect. It needed a window. There's a few tears on some of the seats, and the hull is in desperate need of some attention. But it floats, and it runs really good, and the trailer's in really good condition for its age. Alright, so let's take a closer look and go over some of the projects we're going to be doing on this boat. Okay, for starters here, guys, we've got the front of the boat here, and as you can see, the hull is very scratched and nicked and faded. The pinstripes are even scratched and parts are missing. So by no means is this thing in pristine physical condition per se. The pinstripes there are very sun-faded and cracked. So we're going to definitely have to do something with those pinstripes. We're going to definitely have to do something with the hull. There's no shine to it whatsoever. There's the missing window. We're going to have to replace that. That'll be a project. But mostly this hull, it's so dull and sun faded and just doesn't look good. The decals are sun faded, and as you can see on top of the motor here, that hood is very sun faded. The decals are cracking and falling off, and the hull just really needs some attention here. So one of the projects is going to be to try to restore the hull for sure. And as you can see on this side, what it looks to me like is the previous owner went to wax this and then never took the wax off, or didn't take the wax off in time, because you can see the swirls and caked on wax there. That's wax buildup, and as you can see, it just doesn't look good. And I'm not sure what exactly I'm going to have to do here on this to get rid of that, but we're definitely going to give it a go to try to get rid of those blemishes and try to restore the hull. That's going to be one of the main projects. Another little project here would be to replace that rubber bumper strip that goes around the boat. As you can see, it's pretty scuffed up and looks pretty bad, so I'd like to get that replaced. Another quick little project I'd like to do is replace the decal that's cracked and falling off of the hood on the motor, and we'll be replacing it with graphics that I'm going to custom make, so that should be a pretty cool project. Alright, so moving on into the interior, as you can see, we've got a little bit of sun fading going on. I'm going to try to restore that, and right there you can see where the white duct tape is. There's some tears in the vinyl. We've got some over by the dash, but as we work our way to the front of the boat, as you can see, everything's pretty good. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good. And then of course we've got some cuts on the seats back here that I'm going to try to take care of. So we've got some upholstery work that we're definitely going to try to get into, maybe even some carpeting. I'm not sure. The carpet isn't horrible, so I might not do that. A couple other projects we're definitely going to get into, guys, are I'm going to install a stereo system and new speakers, and then I'm also going to install either a wakeboard tower or a ski pylon. I haven't quite decided yet which one I'm going to do. I've kind of been scouring Craigslist trying to find the right deal on the right tower or ski pylon, but I haven't quite found anything yet. So I'm still looking for that. Alright, so that kind of gives you an overview of the projects I want to do on this boat. I hope those are of interest, because I'll be doing a video on all of them. And just to give you a little spoiler alert, I've already done the hull. And let me tell you what, it looks amazing. That'll be the next video that I put out. So definitely stay tuned for that, guys. And as always, be sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Peace!